We're going to remove the front cap of chamber number 1 so we can see if we can access the tank from the front as well. That way we can remove solids from the front, and then we'll also pressure wash the inside once everything's removed. So turn our control panel. These panels are pretty heavy, so you have to be careful. I twist it wrong. Gotta give it a little elbow grease. Up. So here you can see the entire first chamber. Up top here, these are our pressure washer nozzles, and that goes up and down on that chain when it sprays the screen with chemical. So once we empty out all the solids from the bottom here, then we're going to pressure wash the entire inside, especially the chain, anything that moves, and those nozzles so that they're not clogged.